All right, this is a stereo mic audio test of the MicTrak M3 by Zoom. This is just testing out the dynamic range speaking normally in a stereo environment. I'm about 10 feet away from the camera. I'm now about half the distance to the camera, so I'm getting a little bit closer, just testing the stereo field, moving off to camera right, coming back around to the left side, moving around to camera left, and we're coming back into the center frame. And now I'm getting right into the camera, kind of straightforward, maybe the distance of an interview setup, something like that. Coming over to camera right, check 1, 2, and coming back over to camera left, check 1, 2.